are going to discuss about the power. See, machine have a power and a car have its own power. So if you consider two machines having some power, so you consider the two machines. So one machine do some amount of work in 1 second, and another machine also do some amount of work in 1 second. So if the first machine did some amount of work 20 joules in 1 second, and another machine did some amount of work that is 30 joules in 1 second, so we consider both the machines are having power. Here the constant one is time. In 1 second they are doing some work. So in some time t, they are doing some work W. That means in 1 second how much amount of work they are doing. In 1 second how much amount of work they are doing. So that shows the power of the machine. If the machine is doing more work in 1 second comparing to other machine, then that machine is having a more power. So 30 joules of work one machine is doing in 1 second, and 20 joules of work is doing, one machine is doing 20 joules of work. So the machine which is doing 30 joules of work in 1 second having more power. So power can be defined like this: the rate of work done. The rate of work done is called as power. So power is equal to work done by time taken. So work done by time taken is called as power. If the time taken is 1 second, then power equal to work. The time taken by a machine or any other vehicle is 1 second, then the power will be equal to work. And here our work can be written as work equal to power into time. Power into time gives the work, or power equal to work done in a time is called as power. And now here coming to the work, what is this work or energy? How this work and energy are related? Change in energy is called as work. So while doing work, the energy will be changing. So energy won't be still. So change in energy is called work. Or energy of a body. Energy of a body equal to power into time. Power into time. Energy is equal to power into time. For example, you consider a bulb having 50 watts. 50 watts of bulb used for 50 seconds. Then the energy of the bulb is 50 power 50 watt into time 50 seconds 50. So we'll get the energy of the bulb. This can be written as, power can be written as 1 joule per second. Why? Because work done unit is joule and time second. So 1 joule per second is equal to 1 watt. 1 joule per second equal to 1 watt. And here let us consider the, see, this is 1 watt is a unit of power and 1 joule per second is also unit of power. Now let us consider the dimensional formula. So the dimensional formula is see, here we know that work done W equal to F into S by time, or this can be written as m a F equal to m a s by time. That means we can write it as mass kilogram, acceleration meter per second square, and again displacement, so meter square upon time second. So this can be written as kg meter square per second cube. So the dimensional formula is kilogram m, meter length L square, and this is second time t power minus 3. It is in denominator. So this is the dimensional formula of power, and we know that the power is a scalar physical quantity. And see, power equal to work done by time, or power can be written as power equal to work done can be written as force into displacement upon time. So we can write this as force into displacement by time is nothing but velocity. Displacement upon time is nothing but velocity. So power P equal to force into velocity. So we got two formulas here. Power P equal to work done upon time, and power P equal to force into velocity. So these are the two formulas regarding power. So this is all about power. This power formula, that is work done upon time, and this is one unit, joule per second, or another unit is watt. And this is the dimensional formula of power, and here these are the two formulas, work done upon time and force into velocity is also known as power. For a motor, a pumping motor which pumps the water up, have some horsepower. So 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. So some motors may have 1 horsepower, some motors may have 2 horsepower. So if the motor is having 2 horsepower, then 2 into 746, that is the power of the motor. Consider two persons climbing some height up to 8 meters. So one person is climbing the 8 meters height in 10 seconds, and another person is climbing the same 8 meters height in 15 seconds. So who is having more power? The person who is climbing the 8 meters height in 10 seconds is having more power. So if the target is same, work is same, then definitely the person who completes it in less time will have more power.